Hi everyone, so we'll work on script number 18. So this is a simple script to delete a user if it exists in our system. So I'll start with the bash script first and then move on to Python script next. So what we'll do is we'll check first if the username is provided, and then we'll attempt to delete the user, and then we'll post a confirmation message. So we're going to use an if statement first, and then we're going to use user delete. Okay, so that's it. So we're just going to first check if username is provided. If not, then we're just going to post a message and throw an return value, and then if it is provided, we will use user delete to do that, and then we'll echo out the confirmation. So let's run this command, or rather the script. It's actually going to be 18, not 17. We'll post a new user because we created a new user in previous script. So we're going to do that. It's saying that it's denied because we need to put in sudo first. Says delete a new user, so it worked. So if we want to check, we can just put ID and then new user. There shouldn't be anything there. Yeah, so no such user. But if we, let's say, check new user 1, there should be one because we create a second user that we will delete using the Python script next. So for Python script, we are importing two modules, sys and subprocess, and then we are adding a value. We're checking if argument has been provided. If not, we're just setting this to just an empty string. And then if the user is not set, then what we'll do is we will print the usage, or actually provide username. Then we'll exit with 2. And then we'll attempt, so it is if it's provided, since this doesn't get executed, that means it is provided, the username. So we'll use subprocess dot run, and then we're just going to put in userdel and then -r, and then the user. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll just print a confirmation that user was deleted. So we'll just put f and then user deleted. That's it. So let's save this, and let's try to run this one. So it'll be pi, right? And then new user 1. It's going to use Python. As you can see, it's saying that deleted new user. Let me yeah, here it says new user 1 deleted. So yeah, so that's a script for delete existing user.